Good morning and Jai Hind students. So in this video we will discuss about Einstein mass energy relation and some basic terms related with this topic. So you might have read about E equal to mc square. So in this expression in this article we will derive that expression. According to Newton's second law of motion, we can write F equal to derivative of momentum. Derivating it one by one, we will get m equal to dv by dt plus v equal to dm by dt. So if a force displaces the body by distance dx, its energy increases by we know energy equal to force into displacement, m equal to dv by dt into dx. Similarly, we will multiply this equation by dx. Changing the variables, we will get m equals to dx by dt dv and v equal to dx by dt dm. And we know dx by dt, that is a change in displacement by time, is called velocity. So we may write here dk equals to mv dv plus v square dm. According to Einstein's relation of relativistic mass, this is the Einstein's equation. Squaring and manipulating this equation, we will get this. Differentiate this equation, we will get differentiating it, c, taking c as it is constant, differentiating m square, we get 2m dm minus, similarly derivating m square v square, we will get m square 2v dv minus, then derivating v square, we will get, as there are two terms, both are variable, we will split this term into two parts, m square 2v dv minus v square 2m dm. m naught square c square are being constant, their derivative will become 0. So solving this equation, we will get this equation as 2. So from first and second equation, what is the first equation? This. So from first equation, the value of this term we will get from the two equation, that is c square dm. Putting this value here, we will get dk equals to dm c square. So integrating this value, this equation, we will get k equal to m minus m naught c square. So from this we will get the total energy, that is k plus m naught c square equal to mc square. So this is the Einstein's energy mass equivalent relation. So we conclude that whenever there is a destruction of mass, there will be production of energy, equivalent in production of energy. So this is the Einstein's energy mass relation. So hopefully you have now the idea of how this relation was being derived. Now the mass defect. What is mass defect? It was found that when we calculated the mass of the nucleons, means the particles inside the nucleus, one by one we calculated their mass and then added, and then calculate the mass of whole the nucleus as a whole. We got that the sum of the mass of the nucleus is less than the overall mass of all the nucleons. So this means that there might be some value of mass that is being destroyed, and that mass is called mass defect, delta m. ZMP means mass of all the protons plus a minus z means number of neutrons into mass of each neutron. So this term in the brackets denotes the mass of nucleus. That this term is for the mass of protons and this is for mass of neutrons. So here we simply added the mass of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus minus mass of the whole nucleus. So this value is called mass defect. and mass defect per nucleon is called packing fraction. Now the second term, binding energy. Now as we seen from here, some of the mass is being destroyed, and we know from the Einstein's mass energy relation that that energy, if there is a destruction of mass, there will be production of energy. So there might be some energy that is being produced there, and this energy they termed as binding energy. It is the energy required to break up a nucleus into its constituent part, places them at infinite distance from one another. It is basically the energy that keeps protons and neutrons bounded in the nucleus. So this energy is called binding energy. This can be written as BE, means binding energy equals to delta mc square. So these are the basic terms that are required to study further this unit. So hopefully you have understood the article and as well as these two definitions also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me personally or comment in comment section. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.